Hey guys, how are you doing today? I'm so excited to do this hairstyle for you guys. So if you want to see more on how I achieve this quick and easy updo style with a twist, continue to watch this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also that notification button, so you'll get a notification every single time I upload a natural hair tutorial. So if you want to see more, continue to watch this video. So to kick things off for this natural hair tutorial, we're going to be using the Supreme Braid. And if you all watch one of my previous videos, you already know that I love the Supreme brand. Also my Eco Styler, my Play and Go edge control. It does the job for me every time, I can't complain. Right now it's my favorite edge control. Also my Cream of Nature Hydrating Curling Cream. For the sake of this video, I'm going to show you guys that I oil my rubber bands every single time that I do a hairstyle involving rubber bands. So the front of my hair is gonna have rubber bands, so I make sure and oil my hair because it's a very important step when I do any hairstyles involving rubber bands, because rubber bands tend to tug and pull on your natural hair, and it's a protective hairstyle video, it's a protective hairstyle tutorial, so I want to make sure and show that step because I think it's a very important step when you do these type of hairstyles. Also, don't forget to subscribe. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing a giveaway. So if you want to be part of the giveaway, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Also, leave a comment down below to be featured in my next video. We're going to jump into the back of the hair now, so I'm going to be doing putting some Eco Styler gel around the front of my hair, also to the back of my hair, and I'm going to be using my brush to make sure that my hair is nice and smooth, because you already know that I love my hair to be smooth when I do these type of hairstyles, these type of updos. I want my hair to be very smooth and sleek, so I use my Eco Styler and my brush to get that. So this is how it's looking right now. It's pretty nice and smooth. And for the braid, I'm just going to be attaching a hair tie to the braid. Like, I can't talk today. I'm going to be attaching a hair tie to the braid, and I'm going to attaching that to my bun. And I'm going to be doing like a loose twist to the braid, because I don't want the twist to be too tight. I want the braid the twist to be loose, to wrap around to make the bun. So this is the twist that I was telling you guys about. I make a plait with the braid, and I'm gonna just be doing that like a kind of you know, like a different twist to the hairstyle. This is what I was going for. So with the braid, I just did that in front, and I'm going to be pinning it down to the bun. I'm going to be using some hairpins, and I'm going to be pinning that to the bun. So as promised, it was a quick and easy natural hair tutorial, and for the front I just added in some hair jewels, you know, to finish the look. So if you want to see more on how I do my everyday natural hairstyles, please leave a comment down below. Also leave some suggestion if you want to see what hairstyle you all would like to see me do next. Also don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you all in another one. Have a safe and blessed week, you guys.